Right, time to open the old case. Sometimes they can be tricky because the Vauxhall ones and the originals are glued very well together, so you can't get them apart very easily. Let's see how this one does. We'll start by taking the battery cover off and the battery, and then we use our spreader tool. And this one's actually not too bad to get apart. A little bit more. And just taking those apart. This is the circuit board, the immobiliser chip that allows the car to start, and the two buttons are working fine. Put that to one side. That's the old battery. Open up the new case. There's the little lug just there that the circuit board sits onto, so it can be in the right position. A new blade. So if we put that on that, spin it around a couple of times so it flicks open. And the case together. Just check that it flips open okay. I'll replace it with the battery and the battery case, and then we can test the key actually works. And that's it. One new key case for the customer, another happy customer.